We are at STOM in Poland on the Haimer stand, and we're going to find out why this event's important and also about this machine behind us. So, Marcin, first of all, why are you here at this event?
Yeah, of course, there is many reasons why you are here, but first of all, I would like to say welcome at Haimer booth. So, the main reason for us is location, because Kielce are located not far from the industrial area, and there is a lot of customers connected with the defense and aerospace business. Also, there is a Silesian area not far, and there is a lot of automotive customers. So we are in the center of business in eastern part of Poland. So this is the main reason, but also normally this event is at the beginning of the spring. So today you saw this weather around. We have a winter edition, but also I think that the beginning of the year is great to discuss with customers and also with suppliers about new projects, new ideas, to exchange our, let's say, new solutions. So this is very important for us to discuss with others, to discuss with our customers and meet personally. That's also very important from our point of view.
Well, you said customers there, and I want to sort of expand on that a bit. On this machine behind us.
Yeah.
So why has a machine like this become so important to your customers?
Yeah, there's many reasons as well. But I would say that right now, customers in Poland are more and more focused on the new solutions. They would like to improve their productivity, they would like to improve the reliability of the process. So that's why Haimer, with our portfolio, really wide portfolio of the products, would like to support them to produce faster, better and more reliable. This is an idea.
So what is this machine behind us?
Yeah, this machine we have behind, this is our tool presetter. We call it as a UNO 2040 autofocus version. So this machine at this moment in Poland is one of the most common solution to preset tools before machining at the CNC machines.
So why is this such an advantage compared to setting your tools just on the machine?
I would say that the main advantage is that we are able to save a lot of time. Time at the CNC machines means money. So idea behind is very simple. We would like to save a lot of money because we are able to prepare our tools, our set of tools just before machining. So at the end of the day, we have much more chips from the machine, much more money. This is very simple.
And how easy is it, once you've set a tool, to actually get that data into the machine?
So that's also very important, and if we look back last 2 or 3 years, I would say that more customers asking us how to improve our process. So also we discuss not only about the measuring, which is very simple because the software is very, very friendly, but mainly we discuss about the communication between presetter and CNC machine. And it doesn't matter what kind of system we have. Our presetters are able to work with all of them. So an idea is to make a measurement and then send all the data without any issues, without any problems, directly to the machine. Doesn't matter, as I said before, what kind of system we have.
And final question before we wrap this up.
Yeah.
How accurate is this system compared to your laser setters that are on your machine?
It's, of course, totally different because at this moment we can guarantee for our customers repeatability like 2 microns. So I would say it's not possible to get more on the market at this moment.
So are you spending too much time setting tools rather than running the machine? Or maybe a solution like this is just what you need?